量少ないね。
Do you ever feel too busy to cook healthy meals every day or find yourself eating the same thing over and over again? I believe health is created in the kitchen. These 7 Japanese kitchen habits I'm about to share have brought more balance, ease, and joy to my cooking and my daily life. They're simple and don't require any special tools, and maybe hopefully it's gonna bring the same comfort and balance to your life too. So let's start with habit number 1.
ちょっと広がった。
In Japan, morning often start with making dashi, a traditional Japanese soup stock from kombu and bonito flakes. That umami means you can use less salt and oil while still feeling satisfied, something that naturally helps prevent overeating. And the best part is, when you have a dashi ready, you naturally make soup. You can add vegetable, tofu, mushrooms, or seaweed for variety and nutrition without extra extra effort. When I first moved to Netherlands, I stopped making dashi for a while, thinking it was too expensive. But my cooking felt flat, so I went back to it and it completely changed my meals again. Washing, cutting, or steaming vegetable as soon as you bring them home makes healthy eating so much easier. So in summer, I keep washed cherry tomatoes in the fridge, and whenever I feel like munching something, I grab those and I eat it. And in autumn, I keep a steamed sweet potato. That's my go-to kid snack. Seasonal vegetables are often fresher, tastier, and rich in nutrients. If you want to master meal prep and make healthy eating part of your everyday life, my cooking membership is a great place to start. We share a weekly meal plan, grocery list, have online cooking sessions, and learn from each other's experiences. It's such a supportive community and space. In Japan, miso, shiokoji, and amazake are everyday ingredients. They add rich umami, support digestion, and make meals satisfying with less salt and sugar. Miso isn't just for soup. I stir it into dips, sauces, even tomato sauce for a deep savory note. Shiokoji replaces salt, and amazake naturally sweetens coffee or matcha. I often add it to dressing as well. Ichiju-sansai is a traditional Japanese eating method composed of 1 soup, 1 rice, 1 main dish, and 2 side dishes. This style naturally balances portions and nutrients. Plating with different colors, shapes, and texture of tableware makes meals more inviting, and leaving space on the plate creates a calm, elegant feel. Have you been so busy that you don't even remember what you ate? It happens to me all the time, especially during the summer break in Netherlands. I was juggling full-time mom and work. But even once a week, taking time for an Ichiju-sansai meal can build mindful eating habits and remind you of the joy of truly enjoying the food. It's like a reset meal, so I highly recommend to try this Ichiju-sansai eating method. In Japanese dining, the placement of dishes follows a flow. Rice on the left, soup on the right, something that's been practiced for centuries. I keep condiments and small side dishes in one spot in the fridge and pantry. Toasted ground sesame seeds add flavor, calcium, and antioxidants. Chopped greens onions are ready for soups or noodles. Having these prepped meal makes meals faster, tastier, and more beautiful. Have you left oil splatters overnight only to find them stuck on the next day? I did that too. Just 5 minutes of wiping after cooking keeps your kitchen clean, makes the next day meal easy to start, and keeps us motivated. So I try to do that, even if I feel tired. Meal prep can feel overwhelming, but I prepare while I cook. If I make extra rice or soup, I freeze it in portions. That way, I don't need special prep time, and on busy days, I have a healthy meal ready. So, in my cooking membership, we share the tips like this, learning from each other's experience, both from the success and failure, and just support each other along the way. And recently, one of my members told me that I wrote down a list of my morning habits that I want to create. That means waking up earlier every day, but I know it will give me more rest than going through the flow. Wow, this cooking membership is changing my whole life. Finally, I can bring more discipline into my daily routines because I want peace of mind. And hearing this just reminds me of cooking is not just to eat. It's about creating the life you want. So again, if you are interested in the membership, check out the link in the description box below. So there you have it, 7 tips. Did you find anything new, or do you have any tips that you want to add to my list? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm very curious. And one more thing before we go, on Instagram, I occasionally invite some of you to my free cooking session. So feel free to follow me on Instagram at Miwa Japanese Cooking Class. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Matane.